Welcome to another video. Today we're talking NFTs and we are specifically talking about ArtMonkees.io on the Solana blockchain. ArtMonkees claims to be more than an NFT collection, and later on in this video it will become clear why that's so. As you can see, this is one of the NFTs. This is called a zombie NFT, and if you do not want to miss out on any of the information that they like to share, make sure to enter in your email address to stay up to date for everything they do. But let's take a look at their first collection. The first collection is a collection of 5,000 different ArtMonkees. The mint date will be in less than 48 hours. It will be on the 23rd of January in 2022. The price is relatively cheap in comparison to what we see with other projects. This mint price will be just 0.3 SOL. The first collection is based off of different traits. You can get a common one, you can get a gold one, you can get a Solana one, but you can also get a zombie or a diamond one. And these also seem to be the rarity traits, but that's not all. Besides those traits, they also have more than 150 incredible attributes. As you can see, you can get a butcher knife, you can get a baseball bat, a katana, you can get a helmet, you can get a banana, you can get anything that your mind can get into. And let's see what this story is. So the story of the ArtMonkees is that it is set in the year 2322, and this collection depicts an important scene. Earth now is a human-free planet. The humans left when the environment no longer seemed survivable and sought refuge in space stations orbiting Jupiter's moons. Their absence caused the Earth to naturally regenerate itself, reversing the effects of human destruction and allowing life to thrive once more. One life form is the ArtMonkees, a unique species of ape intent on not replicating human mistakes. They plan to do this by focusing on more important elements of life, like replacing fiat money for cryptocurrency. Their society is decentralized by their shared appreciation of nature and life, and they are using the blockchain to do it. Very interesting and activating story. And I was telling you guys that it is a bit more than just an NFT project, and I will show you this in a few moments in their Monkeeverse. They basically already have a small working Monkeeverse that you can get into. But first, let's take a look at their roadmap. In December 2021, they will kick off the first collection of 5,000 ArtMonkees. This is when they designed everything and got everything together. To let you guys know how they designed it, we have a small video included about the designing process, so you can see how they made it. And as you can see, he is currently working hard on getting the Spider-Man monkey put together. In January 2022, they had their first collection reveal. They had their first collection, Metaverse collection walkthrough. They had Instagram ArtMonkees AR filter. And then, last but not least, the collection was revealed. They revealed the minting day. And when the minting day will be finished, so in 2 days, they will start to work on the listing on secondary markets. In February 2022, they will have a kickoff, a second collection, more to say, of 5,000 new pieces, and 6 famous artists will collaborate in this new collection. If you have any idea who these famous artists are going to be, please make sure to leave them in the comment section down below. And last but not least, in February at least, they have a toy. They will be delivering their ArtMonkee toys, which is truly amazing. For Q1 2022, other interesting things that are planned are the website special, so ArtMonkees Artificial Reality, a second collection minting day for holders, for the public, and then listing for the secondary market. The team currently consists of 7 people. Unfortunately, there are no pictures or LinkedIn pages shared with us, so we cannot really verify who it is exactly. Maybe they will dox themselves, maybe not, but for now the team is unknown. Frequently asked questions, well, most of these got answered in this video except for the sales royalties. The sales royalties will be pretty much 7.5% of each sale, and they will help funding a community vault. It's interesting to see what the community vault will be looking like for this project, because there is no mention of a DAO yet, but this is something that you could truly take into account, because this project seems to be wanting to do everything the right way. Of course, they are also available on some social medias, so let's dive into their Discord first. As you can see, at this moment they have around 2,725 monkeys. The supply will be 5,000 and the minting price will be 0.3 SOL, while minting on the 23rd of January. Altogether, it's a decent put together Discord page where you have some basic welcome information, you have some regular information, and then you have a well lit up community section. People are really talking, so this community seems to be thriving, and it only seems to be a matter of time before more monkeys apply to this project. The other social media page that they are currently using is Twitter, and on Twitter you can see that they are posting some giveaways. They currently have around 7,200 followers, and they are giving away some NFTs here. They are doing some contests, they are sharing their videos and sharing everything like that. So if you are not already into their Discord and Twitter metaverse, you can also take a look at the last piece of this puzzle, the Monkeeverse. And if you have a VR headset, make sure to put it on right now, because this is the place you want to be. In VR, of course. You can see that they have showcased some of their NFTs on a little island. A little island in the middle of the ocean. And you can see that we have a zebra NFT right here. You can see that we basically have more or less a student or a lazy NFT right here. You can see that we have a lightning bolt NFT right here. A punk NFT right here. And the cool thing is that you can just walk through it. And last but not least, of course, we have a zombie NFT. This island is well put together, and it has a place for you to walk around, take a look and interact with your NFT. This is something cool because we have not seen it many times before in the NFT world. Last but not least, we got some exclusive images to share with you guys in this video. Some videos about early releases, and this is what we want to close the video with. So altogether, thank you for watching this video. Enjoy the last bit of this video, and I'd like to see you guys in the next one. As you can see in this piece of the video, they are building one of their NFTs, and this is how you can get a clear view of how they are drawing and making them. You can see that they are drawing the Spider-Man NFT here and showcasing them for us to see. And truly interesting to get a behind the scenes feeling of what this project actually entails. Other cool things are the Matrix version of this NFT, the special Spider-Man version of this NFT, the Solana Samurai. These are all cool things coming for this project on the 23rd of January. What do you think about this one, the Solana Samurai? Or maybe even this compilation of their few projects. So now that we have had a sneak peek, an exclusive sneak peek into the project, let's dive into Monkeeverse.